So we're going to prepare the hair for my next style, and I picked up a couple different hairs. The hair I actually ordered did not get here. The package got lost, so I went to my local beauty supply and picked up a different curl pattern. I haven't used this before, so it's not the one I plan on using, but it's gonna be good. So this is the breezy wave and the number 2, 30, and number 4. Now they only had number 4 in the 36 inches, so I grabbed it anyway, and I'm going to be cutting it down to the correct one. I have 4 packs. It's actually not really a whole 4 packs because this 36 inches is going to be less hair due to the length of it. So this is what the form looks like. The number 4 36 inches is weighing 101 grams. The number 2 in 24 inches is going to be 100 grams. The number 30 is 99 grams. So that is about 400 total grams of hair that I have to work with, which typically if I'm doing boho, I'm using about 300 grams for a super full look. I've never done synthetic boho braids with 400 grams of hair, though probably not going to end up using it all, but I'm going to make a couple different blends. Let me get up close. So this is what the colors are looking like. That's the 4. This is the 30. And the number 2. Can y'all see that? I'm just praying that this comes out how I want it to, being that it is synthetic hair. Now, let's get into mixing this hair. Okay, let's get into how I actually blended these colors together. To remove the weft, I took the hair out the pack and just cut right above the rubber band that it came in. And then this is what I have. Now, as you can see, I'm taking small amounts of each color and stacking them on top of each other. How I do this is first take the small amount of hair and use a comb to comb through it to loosen up that curl pattern because I want this to blend together. And then I'm laying it right on top of the other colors. And I'm doing thin layers so that it can blend nicely. So I did make 3 particular blends. This is the first one, is the main color is going to be 30, and I'm blending the 30 with the 2 and the 4. Well, actually this particular one, I blended the 30 with the 30 and the 4 only. So this one does not have any of the number 2 in it. Now I'm moving on to my next blend, and I'm starting off with the number 2 and the number 4. This blend is just going to be the 2 and the 4 together. I'm not using any solid 2 by itself. I'm blending it with 4. So I'm just going layering again, number 2, number 4, number 2, number 4, and back to back until I have all the hair done. And don't worry, your hair will not have that noodle look since we're using the comb to comb through. So I'll show you how I fix it all at the end to prepare it. Okay, now for this blend, this is going to be my last color blend. The base is going to be the 2 and the 4, and then we're using 30 as a highlight in this one. So it will be the darker mix using the 30. And here I am layering 2, 30, and then the number 4. I sped the video up so that you can watch the process. I am finishing off the rest of the hair. This is the same exact blend I just made, the 2, 4, and the 30. And then I'll be doing the rest of the 2 and the 4. This is going to be the final step in blending this hair together. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it in hot water. This is going to help to get the hair to look how it came when you first got the hair. So we combed it out, and so now we're using hot water to kind of put the curls back in place. It makes the blend much better doing it like this. So I'm dipping it in the hot water, and I'm just using the comb to comb through and make sure the curls are lining up with each other. I'm just trying to get the hair as close as possible to how it looked when it came in the pack. This is going to make it easier for you to separate the hair for the boho pieces. Okay, so after I have washed all the hair, I'm going to lay it on a towel and give it about a day or two to go ahead and dry out on its own. The blends came out perfect. I love how it came out, and it dried up and looks back to normal. No noodles over here. The hair blend looks effortless. This is the end of today's video. Remember to subscribe and come back to see how I actually install these 3 colors.